Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize ClickUp integrations with Slack easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your ClickUp account in a web browser. Log in using your credentials. Once you're in your dashboard, locate your profile picture at the lower left corner. Click on your profile picture to access the settings menu. From the menu, select Integrations. In the Integrations section, find Slack from the list of available apps. Click the Authorize button next to Slack. A new window will pop up, prompting you to sign in to your Slack account. Enter your Slack credentials and click Continue. You'll be asked to allow ClickUp access to your Slack workspace. Review the permissions ClickUp requires. If you agree, click Allow. Once authorized, you can select the specific Slack channels for ClickUp notifications. Choose the channels you want to integrate with ClickUp.
After selecting your channels, click Save. You will now see an integration success message.
To test the integration, create a new task in ClickUp.
Assign the task and add a comment. Check your selected Slack channel for the notification.
If everything is functioning, you have successfully integrated ClickUp with Slack. Feel free to explore additional settings to customize your notifications. This completes your tutorial on authorizing ClickUp integrations with Slack.
If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos.
If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.